Hello, in the previous video, we learned how to properly set up units in AutoCAD. If you missed that, go watch it first, because today we are building on it. I am Diangha Bertrand Timgum, a master holder in civil engineering and a practicing civil engineer. By the end of this video, you will know how to create accurate scale drawings in AutoCAD, step by step. Why scale drawings matter. In construction and design, every drawing must represent real-world sizes in a reduced format. A scale drawing allows you to show large objects like buildings or road on a paper or screen in a clear, manageable way. Now let's draw one together. Make sure your units are set to meters. Let's draw a room that is 6 meters by 4 meters. Navigate to the Home tab, click on your rectangle command, zoom in and specify first point. Specify first point by left clicking. Type in your dimension 6 meters, then you click tab and you click 4 meters. Press enter. Now you can zoom out. So here is a line representing 6 meters by 4 meters. Walls are usually made of double lines, so we click on the offset command here and we type our wall thickness to be 0.20. Press enter and we can offset the wall inside. So we have just drawn a room of 4 meters by 6 meters. Type in text on your command line, press enter, so we can be able to label the room 6 by 4 meters. So specify first point, your start point, and activate your auto mode here below and click second point, then press enter. Now you type in your text, room 6 meters by 4 meters. Press enter. Now we can see the sketch is larger than the room, so we have to scale it down. So we select the room by right clicking and hovering over the text. We move to the scale command here. Then we can just scale it down to this. Click on the layout tab 1 here below. Click on new. Type in the setup name to be room. Press OK. To properly set up your scale, we come here under scale and we choose either 1:50, 1:100. For our case, we are going to use 1:50 and we are going to click OK. Then we are just going to set room here as current. Set as current. Then we are going to close. You can see the viewport scale doesn't match our paper space and we drag it to meet the paper space. We just drag it to meet the paper space. And now we have a good scale. So to be able to put the drawing within that scale, we click on paper space down here and we zoom in to where our drawing fits. Now you know how to create properly scaled drawings in AutoCAD. In the next part of this series, we'll learn how to change the sizes of objects in AutoCAD, another powerful tool for editing your design. If this helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more CAD skills that matter. I am Diangha Bertrand Timgum. See you in the next one.